Welcome to Da Vinci Medical Academy. I'm Dr. J. Prabhakaran. Are you lost in the vast ocean of MBBS subject? Yes. So there are lots to study within a little period, isn't it? We get it? And for you, we have this study buddy classes. You can ace your MBBS very easily. Why? To join the study buddy classes, we have the inductive teaching. Inductive teaching is based on real life case scenarios and university exam questions. And we use high yield concept maps to make the student understand the type of question with the help of high yield concept map. Not only that, there are various memory hacks we can use which are proven to boost the memory retention and scores. And simplified notes, because we know notes are important, so it will be easy to grasp note because learning should be easy and also not stressful. And flexible learning. We do have Sunday live classes where you can have a case discussion and you can ask questions 24/7. You want doubt clearing, our online community is easily approachable. And this is not only the specific points about study buddy classes. Study buddy classes is focused on one-on-one mentoring, which is very essential. Then only we know about the student and the student will know about the professor. Join our study buddy classes and ace your MBBS successfully.